Hello people and welcome back to onDashcam channel, a channel that only features the latest and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with a crazy driver who ran a red light and paid a heavy price for that.
Brilliance there, buddy.
Camera was driving normally and doing the speed limit, but not everyone in traffic is patient and calm as this camera here.
Get up. We're about to find out. Whoa, Jiminy Christmas. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Careful of that car, ladies. He ain't looking. Oh, bless you, sir. Bless you. Honk, honk, honk! Honk, honk! Honk, honk, honk! Honk, honk!
Even though the driver has a green light, this crazy lady who was crossing the road simply did not care. She looked him straight in the eyes and took her sweet time. It's already middle of the night and there was no one at the intersection here, and the camera thought to himself, why not try a couple of burnouts, and this is how it turned out. Pay close attention at the driver on the left side of the camera. He was clearly speeding and breaking the speed limit. Unfortunately for him, a cop was on the road and he noticed it. Of course, there is no other outcome than for this rude driver to get pulled over and get a ticket.
May I approach the bench, Your Honor? Meyer asked. Sultan blinked. What part of We Are in Recess are you having a problem with, Ms. Meyer? She asked.
It's not me,
Please,
because I'm
Your
smart.
Honor, Meyer said. Sultan sat, grumpily, and motioned Meyer and Holloway forward. We need to talk about the disposition of the substance, Meyer said. No, we don't, Sultan said. Aside from establishing an alibi for Mr. Bourne, it's not relevant to this.
The driver in front of the camera decided to make a turn to the right in the last possible moment, forcing the camera to slam on his brakes. This video is a clear-cut proof that we're surrounded by crazy and reckless drivers all around us. Just as the camera was about to take an exit here, he got blocked, and unfortunately he had to sit and wait. Camer quote a lot of driving fails while driving around on his dashcam. Make sure to observe carefully at all these crazy drivers who fail to do the basic things right and try to learn out of their mistakes. Driver in front of the camera thought that it was a good idea to go past the truck even though the truck had his indicators on before him. Just because you drive a huge truck and you think you're safe in it, it doesn't give you the right to behave like this driver here. He surely took his sweet time in pulling out onto the road without regards to anyone else in traffic besides himself.
Are you kidding? What the hell are you doing there? What that? You stupid.
And with this situation, we reach the end of yet another amazing episode on onDashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something. And if you really like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.